Assalamualaikum and a very good day to all of the panels. For today's presentation, I would like to present measuring performance of public universities Malaysia using CCR model and ranking with super efficiency model. First of all, I would like to introduce my team members, Nur Fazia Adena, Dr. Nazhatu Sahima Muhammad Yusof, and Siti Sarah Alia Sheikh Zoknain. For introduction, an important goal for Ministry of Higher Education is the internationalization of the higher education sector in order to attract more top-notch foreign university branches or faculties to establish themselves in Malaysia. The government will keep fostering a welcoming atmosphere. Higher education industry have also expanded their transnational education collaboration with other institutions and established branch campuses of Malaysian universities abroad. According to Zulkarnain et al. 2024, starting with a thorough performance evaluation of their efficiency operations is the first step in improving public universities' performance. Data Envelopment Analysis, or we call as DEA, a methodology proposed by Chinese et al. In 1978, is used to determine the relative efficiency of units based on an input and numerous output. There are three models used in this study, which are input-oriented CCR model and output-oriented CCR model to assess public universities' efficiency, and super efficiency model to identify and suggest which public institutions are the most efficient. There are 20 public universities in Malaysia as decision-making units in this study. Next, we proceed to the objective of the study. First, to measure the efficiency of public universities in the year 2023 using input-oriented CCR model. Second, to measure the efficiency of public universities in the year 2023 using output-oriented CCR model. Third, to determine and propose the most efficient universities using the super efficiency model. Alright, now let us go through the methodology. There are three models used in this study. First, input-oriented CCR model. Next, output-oriented CCR model. And last but not least, super efficiency model. Implementation of the study. These are steps used for measuring performance of public university. First step, collect the data from the previous study. Identify input and output data. Insert the data into mathematical modeling. Processing of data using Lingo 20.0 software. And last but not least, analysis the result. As you can see, Figure 1 shows the flowchart of the implementation for measuring performance of public university. Next, Table 1 shows data of public university in Malaysia for the year 2023 and Table 2 shows the DMUs of data acquisition. Application of Lingo software. First step, insert input and output. For each DMU, there were 3 input and 5 output. The inserted inputs and output will only be focused on DMU-B in this step. The model was solved with Lingo 20.0 software and the outcome is displayed. Figure 2, 3, 4 and 5 below will display the outcome. Step 2. Record the efficiency of the public university. From the result, objective value was recorded as the efficiency of the public university. The objective value that is approaching to 1 is more efficient compared to the one that has lower value. Step 3. Repeat step 1 and step 2 to find the efficiency of the other public university. And last but not least, to calculate super efficiency, the DMU are chosen from CCR result which the objective value must equal to 1. The model was solved by with Lingo 20.0 software and the outcome is displayed. From super efficiency model, the DMU can be ranked based on its objective value. Figure 6 and 7 below will display the outcome. Next, let us proceed with the result and discussion of the study. The efficiency score of input-oriented CCR model. Table 3 shows CCR input score for 20 public university in Malaysia. According to Table 3, there are 13 DMU that are efficient with the efficiency score of DMU being equal to 1. The list of efficient university for CCR input are USM, UKM, UPM, UTM, UUM, UMS, UPSI, UITM, UNIZA, UMPSA, UNIMAP, UMK and UPNM. the remaining 7 inefficient university for CCR input with a score efficiency below 1 are UIAM, Unimes, UMT, USIM, UTHM and UTEM. Efficiency score of output-oriented CCR model. Table 4 shows CCR output score for 20 public university in Malaysia. According to Table 4, there are 13 DMU that are efficient with the efficiency score of DMU being equal to 1. The list of efficient university are USM, UKM, UPM, UUM, UIAM, UITM, UNIZA, UMT, UTEM, UNIMEP, UMK and UPNM. Meanwhile, the list of inefficient university are UTM, Unimes, UMS, UPSI, USIM, UTHM, and UMPSA. Summary of CCR input and CCR output score. Figure 8 show efficiency score of public university in Malaysia using input-oriented CCR model and output-oriented CCR model. According to Figure 8, both models indicate the same result whereby 13 universities are efficient while another 7 universities are inefficient but with different DMU. According to Fanselo et al. 2020, both input and output approaches can benefit from the strong hierarchy that the CCR model can offer. It appears that the CCR model offers a more unbiased and comprehensive evaluation of the DMU performance. Result of super efficiency model and ranking. Table 5 show the result of super efficiency model and rank of public university in Malaysia. Because CCR input minimized input while retaining the same level of output, it was used to calculate super efficiency. It works better in settings with fewer resources like the education sector where funding for input is strictly regulated. Unimep received the top ranking as the most effective public university in 2023. UITM and UMK came in second and third place respectively as efficient public university in 2023. Last but not least, the conclusion of the study. DA is used in this project to compare the efficiency and performance of different DMU. This project proposed a method to compare the performance of public university in Malaysia by using the input-oriented CCR model, output-oriented CCR model and super efficiency model. Through the analysis of university performance and the provision of information, the project's finding will help the higher education sector better understand how to assist university in improving and maximizing their performance. Moreover, this discovery can also help public university administrations comprehend their institutions' effectiveness and make the required adjustment for the future success. Next, these are the references that we use in this study. Now, let us go through to the achievement of the study. A few slides after this slide will be the achievement that we get from our study. This is the intellectual property that we achieved from our study. That's all for my presentation. Thank you so much for lending your ears. If there is any question, please do contact me at the email stated at the screen.